Hi guys, so if you import stuff using 1688, please watch this video to the very end. I just want to share something very quickly with you all. This is going to be a very short video. Now I'll be sharing my phone screen with you all, right, so that you follow through and see exactly what I am doing. Now this is 1688 app and you can see the bag on my screen, right? This bag has different qualities. This particular store is selling for 78 RMB if you're buying from one. I have seen a store that is selling this same bag for around 35 RMB, another different quality. And on here, if you're getting the genuine leather of this bag, you get it from 150 RMB to around 200 RMB. So what I'm gonna do is scroll down and show you what exactly I want you to take notes of from this video. Now when you scroll down, if you want to buy this bag, I know the very first thing you would look out for is reviews, right? And now looking at this review, the first one says the bag is quite good, the color also blah blah blah. The second review says just received the bag, it feels very good, the capacity is very good and all that. And then when you scroll down, you will see that this is a factory, right? This is a factory, and then you will see that their repurchase rate is over 50%, which is a good one. You can see their service score 4 and all. But guys, don't just stop there. Whenever you're checking for a store to buy from, I don't just want you to come on here and just check out few reviews and then you conclude based on this repurchase rate and everything. Please don't get me wrong, repurchase rate is so good. In fact, that should be the first thing you're looking out for, the percentage of the repurchase rate. When you're done looking at it, and if the number is high, the percentage number is high, you should always click on reviews. That is why I tell my people, when you're buying items from 1688, please prioritize buying from stores that have high repurchase rate. Not just that, prioritize buying from stores that have good reviews. Now when you come here and you click on this review, you will see that it is 4.7. the max is supposed to be 5, and most times when you check out stores, you will see that they have, you know, 5-star general review, but this one is having 4.7. Then you ask yourself, what might be the problem? When I scroll here, I see that okay, people are posting their picture review of this bag, and this bag, the quality is not bad. But I am also seeing somebody that is posting a picture review of this bag, and this bag is already peeling. I mean, the person bought this bag and just posted a review that it is peeling already. What should this tell you? That, come on, you can be buying from a store that has high repurchase rates, the store has, you know, good review. 1 or 2 products might not be the best. I buy bags from my supplier. Sometimes my supplier will send me like 50 bags, and you would notice that in that particular 50 bag, maybe 1 or 2 is having scratches here and there. That is not to say that the supplier doesn't sell good quality, but sometimes one might just come out looking bad and they would ignore it and just send it to you. That is exactly what happened here. They ignored it and just sent it to this person. Yes, the person gave them 3-star ratings. The person said, I have already started the skin, meaning that the skin is already peeling off. The quality is general, like the bag is just there, nothing spectacular about it, right? And it's already peeling. Now, I'm making this video for my people that are just starting out importation, right? You should know that you are importing this stuff from China and you are not there 100% to see every single thing they are putting for you. Sometimes, don't be surprised if you see 1 or 2 items that are not all that perfect. Do you understand? Don't be surprised if you see 1 or 2 that are not perfect. Once you're into importation, trust me that you will always get something like this. Once you're into importation, you import goods. Even if you're there, even if you go there, sometimes you will notice that you get 1 or 2 that are not good, or 1 or 2 that are already peeling. It might not really be from the supplier's fault. If you're buying bags, especially bags that are made with PU leather, if they compress it and, you know, ship it for a very long time, these bags don't like heat. PU leather bags are not, their favorite condition is not heat. So when they are packed together, 1 or 2 of them might, you know, start peeling off. That is why I encourage my people that are going into bags and even other products, please ensure you're buying from the best of the best suppliers, so that even if you're encountering something like this, it's not like everything. There was a particular lady that bought bag, I think some years back, not really recently, and before the bag landed Nigeria, almost everything, every single bag in that carton was already peeling off. Almost everything was already peeling off. Now it could be that that bag has been in the supplier hand for a very, very long time. They've not been able to sell it, and now you're buying from a different country. They will just pack everything and send to you. Some Chinese suppliers are like that. They are like that, like wicked. They are like that. They know that it will be so difficult for you to return these items. An opportunity has come to pack all these bad items and send to you, and in most cases there is nothing you can do, especially if the bag already gets to Nigeria. Here, you know that if you're shipping through sea, it takes a while for you to get this item. Most times there is nothing you can do. You cannot just easily return it back. It's double expensive. In essence, why I'm making this video is to tell you that if you're searching suppliers to buy from on 1688, please look all around. Don't just check the first thing you're seeing, the return rate, the repurchase rate, and you're okay. Check repurchase rate, check reviews, right? If possible, tell these suppliers to send you live picture of what you're buying. Don't just conclude based on the picture you're seeing on their home page. Do you understand? Don't just conclude on those pictures. Those pictures could be misleading a lot. They could be misleading a lot. This is me telling you that 1688 is packed with lots of funny suppliers, and I mean, you need to shine your eye to always get the best quality, right? And if you don't want to go through this stress, some of you already know, or most of you here already know, we have a list of suppliers that we have bought from before, and you know, they are legit suppliers. They sell good quality. We have compiled about 70 plus direct links of these suppliers of different products, bags, shoes, fashion items in general, other products, kitchen items, a whole lot. 70 plus. We have compiled them, and you're getting this list if you're interested for just 25,000 naira. You're sure that you're buying from legit suppliers that will send you quality items. You don't need to doubt. Okay, that's it about this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.